Okay, well, I'm well excited about this. This is my very first Marklin, and it's an absolute monster. Look, there's my hand. I mean, this thing is massive and in excellent condition. I'm not going to do anything to this at all. This is just beautiful, really good. No idea what model it is. I reckon it's probably 1920s, 1930s, that sort of time period. There's the original burner. And as I said, this is just in superb condition, it really is. Nice little displacement rear boiler cap there. And it's just so gorgeous. As I said, I've never had one of these before, so this is going to be interesting. So now I can't wait to run this. Well, here's the big Marklin, first steaming. It's all pressure's up, should be ready to go. Yeah, there we go, look at that. Isn't that excellent? This is one big engine. I mean, yeah, there's my hand, so you can see how big it is. And it runs superbly. Very controllable. Oh, too much there? Get a little bit more. What an absolutely amazing engine. I haven't tried the dynamo yet. I must get my meter on that and see whether it's generating any power, but truly awesome bit of kit. Very interesting burner too. Slight leak from sight glass. There's the burner. Unusual design. Well, obviously works very well though. What a fantastic engine! I am so pleased that I've managed to get this. The pinstriping on the covers here and here has been, I'll pull that one off actually if I'm careful, there we go, has been redone at some point. I don't think that's original. These little screws that hold this cover down, there was only one, I had to replace those. But other than that, I haven't done anything with it other than oil it up. There's a slight leak from the sight glass here, but nothing to worry about. I mean, it's just fantastic. What an amazing engine. Let's turn around a bit. Slow it down as well. That's it from that angle. These truly are superbly engineered bits of kit. Absolutely fantastic. So there you go, my very first Marklin under steam, and it's an absolute beauty. Alright, I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.